Yes. F of x is x square minus 1, 0 less than x less than 2. 2x plus 3, 2 less than or equals to x less than or equal to 3. Then you need to find a quadratic equation whose roots are 2 minus 2 plus. You know that one is left hand limit, the other is the right hand limit. So now, for doing the left hand limit, right hand limit, your problem that you are doing at where you are doing at 2, am I correct? You are doing at 2. This is when 2 minus it is LHL, 2 plus it is RHL. So 2 minus before 2, what to do in calculating the LHL of the results are that, not as per the formula, only one problem I will discuss with you. Limit of f of x as x tends to 2 minus is equals to limit of before 2 you are taking the function x square minus 1 as x tends to 2. It is 2 square minus 1, that is 3. Let us consider that is one of the root which is taken as alpha. RHL is limit of f of x as x tends to 2 plus. It is after 2. After 2 it is 2x plus 3 as x tends to 2. It is 2 into 2 plus 3, that is 7. That is the second root which is beta. You got both the roots alpha and beta. Go to the quadratic equation. When you know the roots of the equation, what is the quadratic equation becomes? X square minus alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is 0. This is the quadratic equation when the roots are given. Here the sum of the roots, here the product of the roots. So which is x square minus alpha plus beta, it is 3 plus 7, it is 10x. Alpha beta, 3 into 7, 21 is equals to 0. This is the required answer, which is the fourth option. And in doing the problems here onwards on ಯಾವುದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಈ ಥರ ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇನ್ ಆಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಟಿವ್ ಏನು? ಟೈಮ್ ಸೇವ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಇದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಬರೆಯೋಣ. ಅದರ್ವೈಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ಇಟ್. ಸೊ ನೌ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಡೂ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ದಟ್ put 2 directly in this, that is LHL. When you put 2 directly in this, 2 square minus 1, that is 3, that is alpha. Put 2 directly in this, that is RHL. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? x greater than 2. ಇದರ ಅರ್ಥ ಏನು? x before 2, x less than 2, left hand limit. X after 2 is, it is what? 2 into 2 plus 3, that is 7, it is beta. I hope if you have understood this, now from the next problem onwards, you continue directly with this. Okay? Yes. Now let us move to the next question. The function f of x is sin x plus cos x, x not equals to 0. X plus k, if x is 0, is continuous at x is 0. Then the value of k. When do you say that it is function is continuous? According to the formula, limit of f of x as x tends to, at which point you are doing? At x is 0, is f of 0, then it is continuous. Now what to do? Directly you write, put x tends to 0, which function to be used? X not equals to 0. Earlier, left hand is different, right hand is different. You have applied left hand limit and right hand limit. When it is not equal to 0, one limit is enough. That can be taken care of both left hand and as well as right hand. Therefore, substitute x is directly 0 in this. What is sin 0? 0. cos 0 is 1. That is limit of the case. X is 0. Put x is 0 in this. It is 0. Therefore, the value of a is equals to 1, which is third option. Clear? Now, move to the next one. F of x is greatest integer function. So, greatest integer function is continuous at, you know that the graph of the greatest integer function, the graph of the greatest integer function is okay. What about greatest integer function value x when x lie between what? -2 and -1, its value is -2. Between -1 and 0, its value is -1. Between 0 and 1, its value is 1. So with this, -2, between -2 and 1. So its value is -2 if it is -2 and 1. So this is the graph of the function from -2 to -1. Between -1 to 0, the value is -1. Between 0 to 1, the value is 0. Between 1 to 2, the value is 1. Between 2 to 3, the value is 3. This is of course required for other problems also. Therefore, only just recall, this is about the greatest integer function. Least integer function, other way. You have to take in the reverse case. Okay, all right. Now, in this case, one can observe that at each integral value, it bounds. ಹೌದಾ? ಒಂದೊಂದು ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅಂದರೆ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಜಂಪ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ದಟ್ ಎವರಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ, ಬ್ರೇಕ್ ಇಲ್ದಲೆ ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಗೂ ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಟೂ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸ್. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಎವರಿ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್. ಅವಾಗ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ನೀವೇ ಅರ್ಥ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ ಅಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಸ್. ಅದರ ಇಂಟೀಜರ್ಗಳಾಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ಈ ಮೂರು ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಇದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಅಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು 1.5. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? ನೌ ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್. The number of points at which the function f of x 1 minus 1 by x minus greatest integer function x is continuous only. ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ? ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ಸ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ? ವೇರ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಈಸ್ 0, ದೇರ್ ಯು ಕೆನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫೈನ್. ವೆನ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಈಸ್ 0, x minus greatest integer function x, when you take x equals to 2, what is that? 2 minus greatest integer 2. Greatest integer value integer hatra integer ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 2 minus 2 is 0. What about when x is 3? 3 minus greatest integer 3 is 0. 4 minus greatest integer 4 is 0. 5 minus 5 is 0. All integral values x minus x is 0 for every x belongs to z. That means this denominator is 0 for every integral value. For every integral value, when this is 0, 1 by 0 not defined. When not defined, not continuous. Therefore, how many points it is not continuous? It is at infinite points, it is discontinuous. Therefore, The option is none of this. Now, let us move to the next one. The function given by f of x is equals to tan x is continuous on the set. On which set it is discontinuous? So you just make it, this is n pi. Okay, so just now in the previous problem, here also you have a similar case. F of x tan x is sin x divided by cos x. Earlier one, 1 by x minus greatest integer function. What you did in the earlier denominator, you have calculated 0. Such values, it is discontinuous, or it should be removed from the real numbers. Then the function is continuous. We are not making continuous. We want to know where it is discontinuous. Therefore, wherever this denominator is 0, the function is discontinuous at all the points. Where it is 0, cos x, when x equals to pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, and so on. That is at all odd multiples of pi by 2. 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, this is 0. When this is 0, the function is not defined. The function is not defined, the function is discontinuous. Where it is 2n plus 1 into pi by 2, where n belongs to z. Same case you can apply for other 4 trigonometric functions. Tan x, cot x barದಾಗ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? Cot x is cos x by sin x. Maybe that is also a problem is there. You do that. Cos x by sin x. Sin x 0 ಆಗೋದೆಲ್ಲಿ? Multiples of pi. Okay. In that case, it should be the first option when it is cot x. Same case for secant x and as well as cosecant x also. Define in the form and find where it is not defined, through which you find out the discontinuity. Now, let f of x is equals to cos x. Modulus of cos x. F is everywhere differentiable. F is everywhere continuous, but not differentiable at x is n pi. F is everywhere continuous, but not differentiable at x equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. None of this. ಒಂದೊಂದಾಗಿ ನೀವೇ ಅನಲೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ f of x is given to be cos x. f of x cos x ಆದರೆ, in that case I will consider the graph of this function f of x is equals to cos x. What is the graph of cos x? It is minus pi by 2, plus pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, and so on. In that case, the graph of this function is given to be, when this is 1, this is the graph of the cos x function. Cos 0 is 1, cos pi by 2 is 0, cos of pi equals to minus 1, cos of 3 pi by 2 is 0. This is cos x function. Cos x function is differentiable. It is differentiable at all the points. So therefore cos x differentiation is sin x, where you are doing mod of cos x. What I told you about modulus curve when you are doing it. F of x is given to be modulus of cos x. What you have to take, all the below x axis, you take it above. In that case, the graph of this case becomes, I told you, you have a kink at these positions. These positions, the function is not differentiable. Therefore, it is not differentiable at these points for this curve. What are these points? They are odd multiples of pi by 2. Therefore, f is everywhere continuous, but not differentiable at x equals to 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Okay, students, now let us continue to the next one. The function f of x is equals to mod x plus mod of x minus 1. So now you study about the nature of this function. F of x is equals to mod x plus mod of x minus 1. When you redefine this function, f of x is equals to, what is it, mod x, which is equals to x when x is greater than or equal to 0, minus x when x is less than 0. Mod of x minus 1 is given to be what? It is x minus 1 when x is greater than or equal to 1, and it is 1 minus x, that is minus of x minus 1 when x is less than 1. Now what is required? You combine both these results. Suppose if I consider this, f of x equals to, it is at 0, it is minus x and it is x. This is the graph of mod x. Now I am, probably you know about it, just you wanted to do quick in the examination. Of course we are doing little bit taking the time. Of course you try to do it. Mod of x minus 1 graph, what is it? It is 1 at 1. It is minus of, not minus of, let us consider this becomes 1 minus, it is 1 minus x before 1, 1 x minus 1 after 1. Of course I am taking it is 0. 0 means it is before 1 only. So therefore what happens before 0? When x is less than 0, add these two. Minus x plus 1, it is 1 minus 2x, it is before 0. Of course equal to 0, all right. Then between 0 and 1, after 0 it is x, this is 1 minus x. This is between 0 and 1, this is x, x 1 minus x, totally it is equals to 1 when it lie between 0 and 1. After 1, x and x minus 1, it is 2x minus 1 when x is greater than or equal to 1. Why I have given, when any of the cases you need to do a problem of finding in such cases addition, try to do it like this. Then after that, what is that? You have a 2 points. There may be a chances that discontinuity may occur, not necessary that. X is 0, before 0 left hand limit. At x is 0, LHL is before 0, if substitute it is left hand limit is 1 and functional value is also 1 and right hand limit is also 1. LHL, RHL, all the things are equal. Therefore, it is continuous at x equals to 0. What about at x is 1? At x is 1, before 1, LHL is 1. And at x is 1, functional value also 1. RHL, when you put x is 1, it is 1. So therefore, it is continuous at x is 1. It is continuous at x is 0 and continuous at x is 1. So see, continuous at x is 0 as well as continuous at x is 1, which is the first option. Why I have given this, it is not necessary to do all these things, but the problem, whenever a problem of addition, when it is required to convert into function form, that's the reason I have explained this. Now, you know one algebra of continuous functions. According to algebra of continuous functions, you know that mod x is a continuous function. Mod of x minus 1 is a continuous function. Both are continuous. When x is continuous, x minus 1 is continuous. Therefore, sum of this functions is also continuous. Therefore, sum of the function is continuous always. Therefore, it is continuous 0 as well as 1. No question of discontinuity arises. Therefore, you can directly conclude it is the first option to this result is. Okay. Now, let us move to the next one. The value of k for which the function defined to be f of x is sine 1 by x, x not equal to 0, k when x is equals to 0. Continuous at x equals to 0. What should be the value of x? Before going to do this problem, just I will give you few important formulae. Try to have it. That one is, you know that sine 1 by x, cos of 1 by x, mod x divided by x, and so on. They are called as bounded functions. Bounded functions means a function which lie between two fixed values. In that case, the function is said to be a bounded function. These functions, the value sine of x 1 by x, you know that its value, whatever x is given, it is always lie between -1 and +1. Therefore, they are bounded functions. Now I can have, these are all bounded functions. Second one, it is note 1. Remember this. Limit of sine of 1 by x as x tends to 0, but of course the other cases does not exist. When you take the limit of the function, limit does not exist. Before x is 0, x 1 minus x, sine of minus is minus sine. Therefore, we consider, remember this, limit of such functions does not exist, but they are bounded functions. Now, combining these two, I am going to the third result. When f of x is one function whose limit as x tends to a is 0, ಒಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ 0 ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ g ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಇರಲಿ ಇಲ್ದೇಲೇ ಪರವಾಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಈ ತರ ಇದ್ದರೆ, ಒಂದರ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ 0 ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ f of x into g of x as x tends to a is equals to 0. ಅವಾಗ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ ಕೆ ಆಗಿದ್ದರೆ ಇದು ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬೇಡಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಬಲ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ವೆನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎ ಈಸ್ 0. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಈ ಟೈಪ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸಾಕಷ್ಟು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ದಿ ಪವರ್ ಎನ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by x ಆಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಟು 0. What is when x is 0? X to the power n is 0. Provided ಯಾವಾಗ n greater than 0. n ಏನಾದರೂ 0 ಆದರೆ 1 ಆಗಿಬಿಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by x ಲಿಮಿಟೇ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ಹಾಗೆ n ಏನಾದರೂ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಆದರೆ 1 by x ಗಳಿಗೆ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟಿರ್ತೀರ. ದೇರ್ ಫೋರ್ ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್ ದಿಸ್ ರೂಲ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲಿಕಬಲ್. ದಿಸ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0 when n is greater than 0. Now for this case it is differentiable of this. ಅದನ್ನು ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆಫ್ 0 ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ 0. ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ n ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 ಆಗಿರಬೇಕು. ಈ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ n ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 1 ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯಬಲ್, ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಮಾಡೋವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಈ 3 ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ? ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಒಂದರ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ 0 ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಬೌಂಡೆಡ್ ಆದರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಗೆ ಬಂದರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ತಾನೆ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ನೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by x ನೇಚರ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 by x ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್. ಲಿಮಿಟೇ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಕೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಏನು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗತ್ತೆ? ಸೊ ದಿಟ್ ಈಸ್ none of this is the option. There is no value for k. Now next is f of x is 2x, g of x is x square by 2 plus 1. Then which of the following can be discontinuous function? So there is in these three cases, you know that f of x is continuous because linear function. g of x is polynomial, ಅದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಇದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಇದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್. ಎರಡು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಸಮ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್, ಕೋಶಂಟ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಪ್ರೊವೈಡೆಡ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಜೀರೋ. ಆದರೆ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 2x 0 ಆಗಿಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ x 0 ಆದಾಗ. ಅದು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ ತಾನೇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ಯಾವುದು ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಆಗುವ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಫಾರ್ ಫೋರ್ತ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್. ನಾವು the function f of x is 4 minus x square by 4x minus x cube is discontinuous at only 1 point, discontinuous at exactly 2 points, discontinuous at exactly 3 points, none of this. ನಿಮಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಆಗಕ್ಕೆ 3 ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ರೂಲ್ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಡಿಸ್ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಡಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಎಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಆಗಲ್ಲ. 4x minus x cube equals to 0. It is x you take common, 4 minus x square is 0, x is 0, x square is 4, x equals to plus or minus 2. Therefore 0 plus 2 minus 2. Therefore it is discontinuous at 3 points. Don't do like this. Take x common, 4 minus x square, 4 minus x square, 4 minus x square cancel x. Therefore it is only 1 point ಅಂತ ಮಾಡೋ ಚಾನ್ಸ್ ತುಂಬ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ರಿಮೆಂಬರ್, ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ನ ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಬೇಸಿಸ್. ಅದಾದಮೇಲೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್. ನಾವು ಮೂವ್ ಟು ದಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ದಿ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಇದು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಟ್ಯಾನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ, ಕಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ ನೀವೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ. ಕಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬೈ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ 0 ಆಗೋದು ಯಾವಾಗ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ಪೈ ಕೇಸಸ್ಗೆಲ್ಲ ಕೂಡ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0 ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿದೆ ಅಂತೆ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇರೋದು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಟೈಮ್ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್, ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆನೇ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೈನ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗಿದೆ, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಪವರ್ ಏನಿದೆ, ಎನ್. ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಎಷ್ಟು, 2. ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0 ತಾನೆ. ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ 0 ಆದರೆ ಏನು, ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಯಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 0. ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ, ಅದರ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 0 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂದಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ದೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 0. ನಾವು move to the next one. mx plus 1 x less than or equals to pi by 2. sin x plus n when x is greater than pi by 2. ಇವಾಗ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಯ್ತು ತಾನೆ. ಬಿಫೋರ್ ಇದೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ. ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಾನೇನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ, ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಇಟ್, m pi by 2 plus 1. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್? Right hand, when you substitute pi by 2, sin pi by 2 is 1 plus n. Now cancel these two. What should be the value of n? N must be m pi by 2. That is the third option to this result. Clear? Now f of x equals to x square minus a plus 2 into x plus 2a by x minus 2 as x not equals to 2. 2 when x equals to 2 is continuous at x equals to 2. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ಸ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನಲ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮೆಥಡ್. ಒಂದು ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರೈಸ್ ಆದರೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆರ್ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಮುಂಚೆ 0/0 ಬರುತ್ತಾ. ವೆನ್ ಯು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ 2, ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ 2 ಸ್ಕ್ವಯರ್ 4. 2 into 2 4, minus 4 plus 4 cancel, and then a, it is 2a minus 2a plus 2a cancel. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಎಲ್ ಹಾಸ್ಪಿಟಲ್ ರೂಲ್ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ. ಅದು ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುತ್ತೆ 0/0 ಬಂದಾಗ. ಏನು ನ್ಯೂಮರೇಟರ್ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಸಪರೇಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಶಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, both numerator and denominator. So x square differentiation is 2x minus a plus 2 into x differentiation is 1. 2a constant differentiation is 0. That is numerator differentiation. Denominator differentiation is 1 as x tends to 2 because you are defining at to 2. Its value is equals to 2. At x equals to 2, it is 2. Because continuous, I am taking limit value, functional value directly, I am equating it. Now you substitute, it is 2 into 2 is 4 minus a minus 2 is equals to 2. In that case, it is minus a, it is 2 minus a is equals to 2 happens only when a is equals to 0. A is 0, which is the second option to this problem. Okay. Now, ತುಂಬ ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇದೆಯಂತ ಏನು ತೊಂದರೆ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದಾರ ಹುಡುಗರು ಏನಪ್ಪ ಇದನ್ನ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? Will you try? Okay, now it is limit of f of x as x tends to limit of f of x. You know the limit of sin x by x as x tends to 0 is what? 1. And the same case, limit of sin inverse x by x as x tends to 0 is also 1. Remember this formula, sin inverse x by x, tan inverse x by x also the same case. Therefore, you need sin inverse x by x, divide both numerator and denominator by x. 2 minus sin inverse x divided by x, 2 plus sin inverse x divided by x when x tends to 0. You have given that formula. So this should be f of 0, function to be continuous, which is on substituting nothing but which is 2 minus 1 divided by 2 plus 1, which is f of 0. That is, function to be continuous, f of 0 must be equals to which is 1 by 3. So therefore, it is third option to this problem. Clear? So, fourth question. Before going to this, just check this form. F of x is not defined at x equals to c, then f of x is discontinuous. Wherever f of x is not defined, that all those points the function is not defined. Not defined, discontinuous. Now let us move to the fourth problem. Okay. In this problem, where it is not defined, x minus greatest integer function, you give any integer value. What is x equals to 3? Greatest integer 3 is 3. When x is 3, greatest integer of x is also 3. That means 3 minus 3, 0. If you take x is 2, it is also 2 minus 2 is 0. 3, 4, 1 minus 1, it is 0. 5 minus 5, it is 0. That means at all integral values, denominator is 0. Wherever denominator is 0, it is not defined. Therefore, not continuous. So, it is not continuous at infinite number of points at all integral values, not just at 1 point, not just at 2, not just at 3. Clear? So, that is the meaning. Now, we move to the next is the same principle. Of course, I have applied on this problem also. Denominator is 0. There are 3 discontinuous points. Okay. Now, move to the this also we discussed. M is m pi by 2. Next is this is also over. Next is how should we define at x is 0 the function to be continuous. So each case you are using the formula from the chapter limits only, no part in the continuity. Limit log of 1 plus ax log of 1 plus ax by x as x tends to 0, it is equals to 1. That is the limit of this function. Therefore, if I break this function as log of 1 plus ax divided by x minus log of 1 minus bx divided by x as x tends to 0. According to that formula, I am sorry, it is not 1. This is a 1 into this number. That is the meaning. 1 into a. So therefore it is a minus of minus b, whatever it is here. A minus of minus b is a plus b, which is the third option. One can apply L'Hospital rule also doing this problem. L'Hospital rule is 1 by 1 plus ax into a minus 1 by 1 minus bx into minus b, limit as x tends to 0. It is 1 by 1, 0 into a minus 1 by 1 into minus b, it is a plus b. See, not all the time you go for, sometimes chances that you may do wrong in differentiation. Whatever you know, direct rules from the log limits, you apply directly from such cases. Okay. Now, let us move to the next one. State which of the following is false statement. Identify with all the data given. If f of x is continuous at a, f of a is limit of f of x as x tends to a. This is correct statement by the definition. You want a false statement. Limit of f of x extends to a exists, then f of x is continuous at x equals to a. If limit exists, f of x is continuous, no, limit should exist and it is equals to f of a, then only continuous. Therefore, this is the wrong statement. Okay. Next, move to the f of x is x into sine 1 by x, as I have discussed already this problem, x to the power n. This is continuous but not differentiable. It is continuous but not differentiable. Why? Differentiability, limit of f of x minus f of 0 by x minus 0 as x tends to 0, that is f dash of 0. It is limit of, what is f of x? X into sine of 1 by x, f of 0 is 0, as you know that f of 0 is given to be 0. In that problem it is given, then by x as x tends to 0, x you can cancel. It is sine of 1 by x. Limit of sine of 1 by x is not defined. Not defined means f dash of 0 is not defined. Not defined, not differentiable. Therefore, it is continuous but not differentiable. Okay. Next is sine pi x by 5x as x not equals to 0, k when x equals to 0. You apply limit directly for the problem. Limit of sine of pi x divided by x into 1 by 5 equals to k. because the function is continuous at x is 0. So therefore, sine theta by theta, what is missing? Pi is missing. Multiply and divide with the pi. Therefore, limit of sine x by x as x tends to 0 is 1 into pi by 5. It is equals to k. Therefore, the value of k, therefore, the value of k must be pi by 5. Okay. Now, f of x is equals to mod x plus mod x by x. You see, mod x is continuous, but mod x by x is not continuous at origin. When one is continuous, the other is discontinuous, the sum is discontinuous. Therefore, it is not continuous, therefore, it cannot be the second option. Discontinuous at origin, because mod x is discontinuous, that is wrong, because mod x is continuous, therefore this is not the option. Discontinuous at origin, both of them are discontinuous, no, this is continuous, this is not the reason. Discontinuous at the origin, because mod x by x is discontinuous there, therefore it is the fourth option. Analyze and try to answer it. Over. ಓಕೆನಪ್ಪ, ಏನಾದರೂ ಡೌಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆಯಾ? ಸ್ಲೋ ಆಗಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಬಿಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಇನ್ಫಾರ್ಮೇಷನ್ ತುಂಬ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ? 2 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ಗಳು 3 ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಸೇರತ್ತೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ. ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಸೇರತ್ತೆ, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ ಸೇರತ್ತೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡುವಾಗ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಷನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆಯಿತು, ಓಕೆ. ಎನಿವೇ, ಗುಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯುವರ್ ಕಾಮೆಂಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಿದೆಯಾ? ಒಂದು ಸಾರಿ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಗನೆ ಹಾಕಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಸ್ಲೋ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿ ಬಂದರೆ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ಬಿಟ್ ಸ್ಲೋ ಎಗೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಡೌಟ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಚಾಟ್ ಬಾಕ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿ. ಇನ್ನು ಟೈಮ್ ಎಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿದೆ? ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.